Hey everybody, it's time for fun. Here at Freddy's we've just begun. Magic moments and peeps around at Freddy's place where joy's unbound.
Local law enforcement has issued an Amber Alert for 5 missing children in the hurricane area. The children between the ages of 8 and 12 were last seen approximately 6:25 p.m. at a local family entertainment center identified as Freddy Fazbear's Pizza Place, located on the east side of town. A witness reported seeing an unidentified adult male near the premises shortly before the children were last seen. The individual was reportedly wearing a full-body costume resembling a yellow rabbit. Authorities are working to determine whether this person is connected to the case. The identities of missing children have not yet been released. Search efforts are currently underway, and the FBI has been notified. Anyone with information is urged to call 911 immediately or contact the Hurricane Police Department.